Forget your gas-guzzling minivan, folks. This ain't no drive-through safari. We're talking about experiencing the real America, the kind that smells like fresh-cut hay and apple pie, all from the seat of a bicycle. Yeah, you heard me right. We're ditching the screens and embracing the open road one pedal stroke at a time. Now I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, my idea of exercise is lifting the TV remote. But trust me, folks, this ain't no Tour de France. We're talking leisurely rides through vineyards, stopping for pie at roadside diners, and maybe even a selfie with a cow or two. It's about slowing down, enjoying the scenery, and rediscovering the simple pleasures of life. So ditch the GPS, grab your helmet, and get ready for an adventure. We're about to embark on a journey that will leave you with a sun-kissed glow, a renewed appreciation for nature, and maybe, just maybe, thighs of steel. Why choose a bike to explore the countryside, you ask? Well, for starters, it's eco-friendly. No need to worry about your carbon footprint while you're cruising through nature's air freshener. Plus, it's the perfect pace to soak it all in. Cars? They just zoom past the good stuff. But on a bike, you can actually smell the wildflowers, feel the breeze on your face, and hear the birds chirping their little hearts out. And speaking of hearts, cycling is good for yours too. It's low impact, good for your cardiovascular system, and way more fun than running on a treadmill while staring at a wall. You'll be burning calories and building muscle without even realizing it. Who knows? You might even work up an appetite for some of that delicious roadside grub I mentioned earlier. But the best part about biking through the countryside? The freedom. You can go at your own pace, stop whenever you want, and take those scenic detours that your GPS would never understand. It's just you, your bike, and the open road. Now before you hop on your Schwinn and pedal off into the sunset, let's talk gear. First things first, safety. A helmet is non-negotiable, folks. You wouldn't drive a car without a seatbelt, would you? And trust me, a cracked coconut is not a good look. Next, you'll need a bike that can handle the terrain. Leave the racing bikes for the velodrome. We're talking about a sturdy hybrid or mountain bike that can handle some hills and gravel roads. And don't forget the essentials: a flat tire repair kit, a pump, plenty of water, and sunscreen. Because nobody wants to end up looking like a lobster that got caught in a bike chain. When it comes to planning your route, remember, Google Maps is your friend. Look for bike-friendly paths and trails, and don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They know all the hidden gems, like the best swimming holes, the tastiest pie shops, and maybe even a few ghost stories to keep things interesting. Now for the main course, where to go. America's countryside is a smorgasbord of scenic beauty, folks. Out west, you've got the Pacific Coast Highway, where you can cruise along the California coast, the wind in your hair, the smell of salt air in your nostrils. Just watch out for those surfers. Up north, there's the New England charm of Vermont, with its covered bridges, maple syrup farms, and fall foliage that'll make you want to burst into a chorus of autumn leaves. And down south, you can't go wrong with the Blue Ridge Parkway. Think winding mountain roads, breathtaking vistas, and enough southern hospitality to make you want to say y'all for a week straight.